You'd be surprised to know that these tiny leaves actually contain more nutrients than other popular food sources. Moringa nutritional facts include having 7 times the vitamin C of oranges, 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, 4 times the calcium of milk, thrice the potassium of bananas, and twice the protein of yogurt. The Moringa plant is known by several names such as moringa, K-layer, Sijan, benzolive, horseradish tree, drumstick tree, ben oil tree, and never die tree. Moringa oleifera has a low, earthy, soft fragrance, and it was widely utilized by the Romans, the Greeks, and the Egyptians in making and producing perfumes. The leaves of the Moringa plant are its most popular part, but its pods, fruits, flowers, roots, and bark are also utilized for different needs and purposes. The immature seed pods or drumsticks, when boiled, are edible and are excellent sources of vitamin C, dietary fiber, and potassium. The seeds can also be removed and be eaten like peas or nuts. A 100-gram serving of Moringa leaf powder, the most common form of Moringa supplement, contains calories 375, protein 25 grams, fat 0 grams, carbohydrates 50 grams, fiber 25 grams, sugars 0 grams, calcium 2,500 milligrams, iron 120 milligrams, potassium 1,500 milligrams. Because of moringa's nutritional properties, it is used to combat malnutrition among infants and nursing mothers. The Moringa tree is a great source of food in tropical areas where it is abundant, because it is in full leaf at the end of dry seasons, just when other food sources are limited. Moringa helps control blood glucose levels, which can prevent and treat diabetes. Moreover, the leaves are high in protein, which can further reduce your likelihood of diabetes. In a study, men who substituted meat in their daily diet with protein from plants like Moringa reduced their risk of type 2 diabetes by as much as 18%. Most blood sugar studies were done on animals, though, so more human research is needed to understand this potential benefit. Don't use it if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Talk to your doctor before taking Moringa or any supplement, especially if you take any medications. After consulting a doctor, you can take Moringa capsules or add the powder to your food as an extra ingredient. Many health food stores and online shops carry this powder. Here are some ways to use Moringa powder. Sprinkle on salads or mix into salad dressing. Blend into smoothies. Mix into baked goods like muffins or brownies. Stir into soups. Make Moringa tea by steeping the leaves in hot water. Add to pasta sauce, such as marinara or pesto. Thank you for watching, hope it's useful.